Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. Please let's not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I will be posting every week. So if you want to see more of my DIYs, let's not forget to like it and subscribe. So with that said, let's get started. The first thing I did was grab on a box, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cut out a square. So I'm just going to cut it from each side like that. And I'm going to need two square. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out. Then I grab these poster board and I'm just going to go ahead and fold it in half. Just like that. Then I'm going to grab a scissor and cut it out. The next step I'm going to do is fold it again in half. And I'm also going to go ahead and cut it out. So I'm going to continue doing this until I get 4 parts. I need 4 pieces of these. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this one out too. And there you have my 4 pieces. So after I have my 4 pieces, what I'm going to do next is grab a measuring tape, and I'm going to measure 12 centimeter. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark it down, and then I'm just going to take something to make a straight line, and I'm going to take my scissor and cut it out. So I'm going to do this to all 4 parts. I'm just going to go ahead and continue cutting them out. Then it will leave me with this. So then after that, what I'm going to do next is take my cardboard, and I'm just going to go ahead and mark it. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out. I'm going to do this 2 times. Do it again for the other part. Then I'm going to do the same thing and cut it out. So then after I cut it out, what I'm going to do is just take my pieces and put some double-sided tape all around it. And then I'm going to attach it to the cardboard. Just like that. Then I'm going to take a hole punch, and I'm going to punch all 4 sizes. Then I'm going to take my 4 cutout that I did first, and I'm just going to go ahead and roll it, and then I'm going to staple it at the end. As you can see, there's a little gap in between. So what I'm going to do for that is put some hot glue all like that. Then I'm just going to go ahead and attach it together. Because it's so soft, I need to put something in between so it can attach better. Just like that. I'm going to take the other part that I cut out, and I'm going to do the same thing, just staple it at the end. Just like that. So I'm going to continue doing this until I do all of them. Then I grab some glitter cardstock paper, and then I just turn it around, and I'm just going to go ahead and make a circle all around it. Then I'm just going to go ahead, grab a scissor, and cut it out. After I cut it out, what I'm going to do next is just take the scissors and cut it in the middle, all the way to the middle. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fold it and staple it at the end. And I'm going to continue doing this until I make 4 of them. Then I'm going to take my little cone, put some hot glue, and I'm going to attach it to it. Just like that. And that's it. I'm going to take my cardboard, and I'm just going to put the ribbon through it. Then I'm going to take a pencil and tie it so it will be easier for me to put it through it. Just like that. I'm going to grab the other part, and I'm just going to put it through the other side. Then I'm going to do it to the other side now. Then I'm going to take the other side, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it through it. I'm just going to pull it all the way down, just like that, until it's all the way down at the end. Then I'm just going to go ahead and pull it. Then I'm going to take the other side and put it through it too. I'm just going to continue pulling it into its state like that. Then I'm going to grab my hot glue and attach it to the end. Forgot to pull up your string, and then you're going to go ahead and glue it. Just like that. So then you're going to do the same thing to the bottom. You're going to go ahead and attach the string with tape at the end to hold it down. I'm going to go ahead and tie the pencil again and put it through it. And I'm going to continue doing the same process, putting it through it and attaching it to the end with tape. Then I'm just going to go ahead and flip it around and glue it. I'm just going to pull it, attach the top, so I'm going to do this to all 4 sizes. I'm just going to go ahead and continue gluing. Then the last part is to put it through it. And there you have it. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my clear paper and I'm just going to go ahead and put it all around it just like that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and glue it to it. Just like that. Then I'm going to continue gluing all the other sides. Just like that. Make sure to pull it straight. I'm just going to continue gluing all sizes except the one in the back. We have to leave that one open for now. Then after I glue all the sides, I'm just going to go ahead and cut out all the extra pieces that I have. Then I took the cone and I'm just going to go ahead and put it on top. Just like that. I'm going to do this to all 4 pieces and put it like that. And then I grab these little stickers at Dollar Tree and I'm just going to go ahead and put it all the way around it. Make sure to overlap it a little bit on top. And then just continue doing that until you do the whole thing. Then I also did it at the bottom part. Just like that. Then you're just going to go ahead and grab your balloons and stretch them out and open them like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the candy inside, just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and blow it and just tie it. And you're going to put different candy inside. I'm also going to put dollar bills inside. And I'm also going to write winner inside the balloon, so when they pop it, they get a prize. Then after that, I took all my balloons and I'm just going to fill it up in the gap that I left open at the back, and just fill it up with your balloons. Then I got these headbands at Dollar Tree and I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it to the middle of the piñata, just like that. And this is how beautiful it turns out, guys. I love the way it looks. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it and try to make it as well. Thank you for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to subscribe and letting me know what you guys think. If you have any idea, anything that you would like me to do or come up with something, just let me know. Thank you for watching.